Tummy tuck surgery, what to expect. Often we remove more than 1 square foot of skin on moms when we perform this surgery. Think about that, that's a lot of skin. So a tummy tuck procedure is a big one and it does require some recovery. Most patients need at least 1 week off of work, and for bigger procedures, or if it's possible, a second week is a nice thing to do. It takes about 6 to 8 weeks to obtain 80% wound strength, and that's particularly important if we're doing a muscle repair as we do on most moms. In other words, it's important to wear a binder or compression garment to give support to the waist, and it's important not to strain those muscles for the first couple of months when you're healing. What does that mean practically speaking? It means get some help around the house. So you're not too active, you're not doing a lot of work and chores, and certainly not going to the gym in the first 6 to 8 weeks following tummy tuck surgery. If you'd like to see more beautiful before and after pictures like these, hit the like and subscribe buttons.